recording this video to give you some extra practice on reported speech, and this is going to be a listening comprehension exercise. You can find everything on Telegram, so you're going to go into our chat and you're going to find this link that I shared previously. This is a Cambridge listening comprehension practice test, okay? So you're going to click on it, and this is what you're going to see. Listening practice test 1, and this is part 2. So for part 2 on the test, you're going to complete a transcription of a listening or of an audio recording. In this case, you will hear an expert snowboarder called Brad Mitchell talking about the sport of extreme snowboarding. And then you're going to answer these questions. You have to type the missing words in the spaces, okay? So after you're done, you're going to click check my answers, and I want you to take a screenshot and send your results on Telegram right here. Next, what I want you to do is I'm going to share this document with you right here. And it says, report sentences from the Cambridge listening exercise. What I want you to do is, you see here, Brad says there are no blah 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 to warn extreme snowboarders of dangers. Vamos a ver qué es lo que dice, ¿no? Listen.
You will hear an expert snowboarder called Brad Mitchell talking about the sport of extreme snowboarding. For questions 9 to 18, complete the sentences with a word or short phrase. You now have 45 seconds to look at part 2.
Just go forward a little bit.
Peaks and the steepest slope. When you go extreme snowboarding, you head for the highest peaks and the steepest slopes, taking little more than a map and some basic survival equipment with you. Unlike in ski resorts, you won't see any signs telling you there are rocks or trees around.
Okay, so Brad says there are no signs to warn extreme snowboarders of danger. So there are no signs. Eso es suficiente, right? Entonces quiero que esta oración la cambies a reported speech. Entonces, ¿cómo nos quedaría? So we're going to put it here. We're going to choose a different color. So we're going to choose blue. So Brad said there were no signs, right, to warn extreme snowboarders of dangers. Entonces, eso es lo que me vas a escribir ahí en el documento, right? So Brad said there were no signs. Brad said there were no signs to warn extreme snowboarders of dangers. Y así con cada una de las frases vas a escuchar la grabación y quiero que transformes cada una de ellas in reported speech. And you're going to type them here. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and you type them here into the document. This document I'm going to share right now. You have access to it, and I'm going to be sharing it here on Telegram. You will also watch the video that I'm recording for you right now here. I'm going to be leaving the link here for you to see. If you have any questions, you can ask me, you can text me on WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.